Tired of your videos being stolen without credit? Learn how to add a permanent watermark in YouTube Studio in under 2 minutes. I will show you exactly where to click in YouTube Studio, how to upload and crop your watermark, and choose when it appears. So the first thing you need to do is sign in to YouTube Studio. This is your main dashboard for everything channel related. Once you are logged in, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu with a bunch of options. Go ahead and click on the one that says Customization. Now, the Customization section is where you control the look and feel of your channel. But we are after something a little more specific. So once you are in there, you will see a few tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Branding. Then just scroll down that page. Keep scrolling until you see a section called Video Watermark. Here is the main event. Click the Upload button right there. This will open up your computer's file browser. Go ahead and select whatever image you want to use as your watermark. A logo or your channel icon works perfectly. After you upload it, you will see a preview of the watermark on your video. You can click and drag the corners of that image to make it bigger or smaller. You want it to be visible, but not so big that it covers up your actual content. Once you have it sized the way you like it, click Done. And here is the really important part: choosing when that watermark actually appears. By default, it will show for the last 15 seconds of your video. That is great for a final call to action, like asking people to subscribe. But you have other options too. You can set a custom start time. So if you have a specific moment in the middle of your video where you talk about branding, you can have the watermark pop up right then. Or if you want your logo on screen the entire time, you can choose the option for the entire video. This is fantastic for preventing people from clipping and re-uploading your content without credit. I have tested these settings myself, and it is totally based on YouTube's official documentation, so you know the steps are solid. Once you have made your choice, look up to the top right corner of the screen. Click the blue Publish button. This saves the change to your channel. And that is it. You are done. Your watermark is now live on all future uploads. You are protecting your brand and giving yourself a little extra promotion, all in just a couple of minutes. Good luck out there.